Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you wondered how to engage your followers by asking questions on the Instagram story, you're on the right video. I'll show you how in less than a minute. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Then swiping to the right will access the stories camera. Take a photo, record a video, or just upload an image. Next, tap on the sticker icon at the top right next to the letter A, and here select the question sticker. Type in your question then tap on done on the top right corner. You can adjust it by zooming in or out, and you can also move your questions wherever you want. Keep the questions fun and relevant to encourage responses. Now you're all set to connect with your followers in a fun way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.